Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you the beautiful pink Christmas shaker swap that I received from Chantallovespaper. She was the host of this beautiful and super fun swap. We were supposed to create 4 beautiful shakers. I will post my picture of the ones that I created also in this video. And now you can see the reveal of what I received. This is the beautiful package. So much fun. I just love this one, Chantal. And then I'll open her up. And then I see a beautiful card. Just going to do a quick read and I'll come back. Oh, thank you so much. You're welcome. So this is the beautiful packaging, and then she got some fun papers there, which I'm totally going to reuse, of course. And wow, my first piece of this fun crinkly, and I just love this, but I don't have any of these in my stash, so I'm going to totally hoard this one for a while. And then there is, and the ladies' informations are all, this is Pinkpaperdaisy. Hallo, dankjewel voor je prachtige creatie. Ik ga het openmaken. Thank you so much there. Oh, she also used the Tim Holtz pancetta die here for her pocket in the front. I will link to all the videos from Chantal's channel, to the ladies' creations, and also to Chantal's channel as well. Oh wow, let me even kijken hoor. Let me see if there's anything that I missed. I do see a few elements here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push the box aside, and then I can share with you all the beautiful items here inside. So as I said, this is from Pinkpaperdaisy. Let me put down her information there. She's also on Instagram. I believe only on Instagram, I must say. So as I said, she used a beautiful Tim Holtz die there for the box. Loving it. And we also received a sort of mini embellishment box, I believe, with some beautiful yarn here. So that's for that. She also embellished the front or the top, and these are the cute tassels, some super teeny tiny ribbons here, and then yeah, quite a few of different elements here. I'll try to open this one up and then show you what's inside, which is, let me turn this around, really super cute elements there, all kinds of charms which I totally do not have in my stash. So that's a great plus of having swaps with different persons, creative persons, that you can receive beautiful elements as well. And I believe, I don't know if you made these yourself, you just have to comment if you're watching this video, but I just love it. Thank you so much for these. So that's for her mini embellishments box there. Then a wooden tag, which she also added on these yarns. And then for her shaker, just love it. Oh, such a beautiful, and this with all this layering, and this with the bell. Loving the details of the shaker and also the shaker mix itself. As you can see here, loving the sparkles. Really, really beautiful. Thank you so much for this one. I'm totally going to make pictures of all of these and also send you a message. Thank you so much, Chantal, for just putting us together and putting some of her goodies in my swap as return. Thank you. So that's for the first one. Then we'll go to the second shaker that I received, which is also such a beautiful creation. This is from Cheryl. I believe Cheryl is in the UK, and she also has her own shop, I believe. So I put the link as much links as I can provide to you to these ladies. So that's for this, and this is such a cute way of packaging it. Love the ruffles here. Beautiful diamond dots, or epoxy dots here. Can you see the opening? Oh, I mean this one. Loving this. Oh, it's almost like a shame to cut it up, but I will have to do a slightly cut in here in the back. Let me see if there's another way. Maybe like this. No, I'm going to have to do that, and then I'll come back again. So these are the items that came out of this beautiful candy wrap package from Cheryl, and I love it. Just put out a cut in here, and in the bag she has quite a few of these beautiful sort of polymer clay pieces in pink, of course, which I really love. Then we'll go first to the elements that she put in her package, which is this beautiful iridescent bag, which I'm totally going to reuse as well. And she also put in the most gorgeous pieces of dangles inside. Thank you so much again, Chantal, for hooking me up with these ladies. They have super beautiful elements and super cute shakers, as well as all the entries. I believe there are 14 entries. So I am really lucky to be able to be a part of this swap. She's hosting another one, Valentine swap. So if you're interested, check out the information of Chantallovespaper. And as you can see, really beautiful elements there. Putting this on top. Then she also put in some word quotes, which are these. Loving your layering, Cheryl. And then these two as well with the fun pieces there of shred. Winter and snow. And it's all stitched there. I have to start trying these things as well. I also love your cardstock that you used. Is this one, and then she added also together with the polymer clay and the other goodies. She added these two, a dimensional flower there, and a super cute. Can you see it? This is how tiny it is. Super cute rosette there, and the polymer clay pieces. And this is for that, and also a bottle of sequins mix, which I really love. Thank you so much. Going to be using those as well. Then we're up to her beautiful shaker, which is made out of acetate, of course, and this beautiful layer of foam. This is the bag. Even the bag is fun. I just love that. And so much beautiful details there. And of course, the shaker itself has a beautiful mix. Love this one. Thank you. Super cute. And that's for this one. Then we'll go through the third, which is this cutie one. Beautiful dangle on the side. And this is the bag. This is her name. Oh, love it. Loving it. Thank you so much. You can see the beautiful cookies there. Her charm. And this layering. Even this has so much dimension to it. Oh, love that one. This is the Christmas trees there. And then I will remove the washi tape. Let me do that. Ooh, carefully. Yeah. Oh, I don't even, oh, sorry. Let me see. I don't even have to remove that. I can see that I can open it like this. Yes. So, and again, this is her packaging. She used on top of that Nouveau drops, I believe, to create this beautiful, which is a brilliant idea. I'm totally going to copycat that one as well. Love that. This is the back. Let it snow. And I just love the details of the die that she used as well as this here. And this is her super beautiful snow globe with lots and lots of details. Loving this. I will glue this down, no worries, it will be perfectly again. And this is such a beautiful, super cute die there. It says sparkles. Yeah, sparkle. Noel. I love it. This is the back. Beautiful colors as well. Loving this paper. This is one of my favorites as well. And this is, you can see a little bit the shaker mix inside. So sorry about that, but I'm going to fix that. No worries. And then this, oh, so beautiful. Beautiful element there. Thank you so much for creating this as well. Putting her here. Trying to showcase them all. in the background there. And then the box itself has some fun bubbles there. Just love that. And this is the last one that I received from my swap. I'm going to open up the bottom of the baggie and taking it all out, which is from Carmen. This is such a cute and fun way of packaging it. I love the embossed paper there. Some seam binding on the top. And you can see the back there. So fun. Hartstikke leuk, Carmen, dat ik ook voor jou nu ook een leuke creatie weer heb. Echt super leuk. Dankjewel, Chantal. Thank you so much, Chantal, for hooking us up. Carmen is also one of my designers, so that's so much fun to have received one of her creations as well. This is the back. Again, this is her information on Instagram. She used a beautiful star die. I do not know for sure if this is from Tim Holtz, but this is, and I believe all the elements, but I will put the link down below to her video and also the one to of Chantal's video, so no worries, you will get all the details of those. Then again, this is for sure a die, pancetta die, and then you can see the difference if you use it like this, monotone, and this with the different layers. Loving them both. Loving them both. So that's for that. And then I'm going to try to open her up. And then show you the beautiful detailed and dainty piece. Loving the paper that you use as well. I believe this is from Frank Garcia. Let me show you her window shaker part with all of these teeny tiny elements there. Loving these dots, these pearly dots, the super teeny tiny wreath with a cluster there, a beautiful bow. This and the frosted window. Hope you can see that. Beautiful frosted window. Loving these branches. Absolutely beautifully done. Thank you so much for taking part in the swap as well. And yeah, I'm so lucky to have received one of your creations, Carmen. And she also added a fun facial mask. Such a fun thing to receive. Super cute. So thank you so much, Chantal, again for hooking me up with these ladies and for letting me take part in your swap. And as I said, she has a Valentine's swap also coming up, so if you're interested, contact Chantal on her Instagram or on her YouTube. So thank you all. Thank you all the ladies that have participated again. I am so lucky to have been receiving some of your work, and I hope you all have enjoyed watching this video, and please give this video a thumbs up if you did, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye bye.